All right, everyone, we want to talk about the different components on this J&M grain cart that we removed and that we're going to add. So for this particular example, we removed the front hitch plate, which had 8 bolts connected to the front of the J&M 1150 grain cart, and it had this shaft, this blank where the load cell will replace, and it had the collar on the back, and that was holding the hitch on the front of this 2012 J&M 1150 grain cart. And what we're doing, since we're removing the blank, we're adding the 2 7/8 inch load cell, and we need to, since we're no longer going to use the front mounting plate, we're going to actually install this in the back. And this is the new mounting plate that goes in the back of the hitch, and it's 4 bolts instead of 8, and it gives us the ability to have the load cell canister and potting material where the strain gauge is on the inside of the hitch with this mounted in the back. So it's kind of a neat design. It's really simple and it makes the install easy. A very important piece to know and recognize is this is tapered. So this is tapered, so we want the narrow side on the bottom at the back of the hitch. So it only goes in one way. So you must be sure to recognize that. No hammering or pounding. The narrow side goes down, so that way everything mounts properly. Like that. With the load cell weldment installed in the front of the hitch on this J&M 1150 grain cart, the taper is down, so the narrow side's on the bottom. We'll install these 4 bolts. In a perfect world, we want to make sure that the threaded part that the weldment goes into is cleaned out with a 3/4 inch fine thread tap to clean out any old dirt or rust, so we can install this properly, and even lubricate a little bit with some WD-40 so it's bolted on to hold the load cell. Right here, we're just taking an old piece of house wiring, and we're just hooking the load cell wire so we can pull it through the side of the tube on the hitch and the frame of this J&M grain cart. We're just going to tape it together.